Greetings, this is Code One's team, presenting our brand new product, Grizzly Editor. With our tool, you can design your microservices in a more optimal way. When you open the editor page, you will find a default microservice called Pet Store. The interface will display the tags, the endpoints and the modules linked to this microservice. And remember, everything is customizable. Let's begin our tour with the Microservice Details. We can edit the title, the version, the description and even the contact and the license information. Next, we have the Tags and Endpoints section. We can add, edit and delete tags. We can also add an endpoint to this new tag. For example, we are going to design an API with a method, get, to retrieve a pet by name. We add a path. Then, we add a parameter. The body of the request and response will be the pet model. We click confirm and, congrats, you have created your first endpoint without code. You can also edit and delete endpoints. Next, we are going to talk about modules. You can add modules with this button. You can also edit or delete them. You can also import a microservice using a Swagger file or a URL. You can preview your microservice as a Swagger or Open API. You can export the content to a JSON or YAML file. We support Swagger v2 and OpenAPI v3.0.1. Finally, you can generate a server or a client application for your project. We support a wide range of programming languages and frameworks. At the top right, you will find global actions. You can share your microservice with your team. You can also generate a new project or clear the current editor. And to top it all, Grizzly Editor is compatible with Code One's products. You can integrate your project with Grizzly API and Grizzly Hub and use their features on your project.